pictures from the SolidWorks picture here, and after that, this is the end cap I just created to defining the starting point and the point of our simulation. As you see today, we're closing up to define the boundary condition of our simulation. So let's go to flow simulation. Our goal is to define and determine the mass flow rate, total pressure, and volume flow rate. And as you see the result I just created, the first row you have to cram into the flow simulation and create a new result, and you will see choose the simulation settings there. So after running it, you will see the result here. And to continue working your flow simulation SolidWorks,